So hello everyone, welcome to my video. This is the first video on my channel, so sorry for the video quality, voice and accent, but I'll try to give you the best information about Razer Kishi version 2. This one is for Android, but it has an iOS version. The difference is USB Type-C and the Lightning port. So this is really nice. It feels really nice at first. So it has some, as you can hear, some really good triggers and buttons. It kind of feels like the PlayStation controller that we have right over here. It doesn't look the same except for the color, but it has kind of same grip. It's a bit lighter, but you connect your phone to it. So, well, this thing is, yeah, it will fit, I think, every single Android phone, and maybe I think most of the tablets. Yeah. So this thing is really nice. As you know, the joysticks feel like Nintendo Switch joysticks. It has two remappable buttons. M1, M2 is just next to L2, R2. It's pretty nice. It has screenshot button, the application or home screen button. I will tell you about that later. So in the box we have this and this. So the things that these are, they're for some rugged phones or some chunky phones. So as you can see here, it has something like this. It's a bit chunkier than normal, so we just take this out. You have to use a bit of force. It's normal, you won't break it, and you just put this in. This thing is if you have like a big phone, like a phone that's chunky and it won't fit. So I don't have such phone, my phone's slim. So this is a pretty nice controller, as I've heard, but we'll check in this video. So we go for the phone. My phone is Samsung Galaxy A71. It's not a really new phone or flagship, but it's a really nice phone and it can handle games pretty good. Not as good as new Snapdragon, but yeah, its microchip works well. So the thing that we do, when you have to say okay to this button over here at first is a button for the Nexus app. You have to download an application called Nexus, and it's a kind of a hub, or as you can see, a kind of a game launcher. So there's something that you have to know about this. So first thing, firmware. This thing is Razer Kishi 2.0, so you have to update it to version 2.0. There's something called virtual control. It's a really cool thing. As you know, some games are not optimized for any kind of controller, Xbox, PlayStation 4, I mean like PlayStation, or even Razer Kishi. So when you turn this on, you can put some icons on the controllers and use them normally. So and the buttons that I told you, remappable, are just right over here above the virtual control mode. You have to click on them or just press A on them by this joystick, and yeah, you can change the function of M1 and M2. I changed them to be L3, R3, so I don't have to press every time on this. I just have to tap. It's easier. And if you don't want them, you can just say no. So I told you this button can open the Nexus app, but you can change it to be the home screen. Like when you are in a game, you want to suddenly you want to go to the home screen, you don't need to do like something like this. You just click on the button as it will go to the home screen. It's pretty cool, but I rather it to be the default version. So this is it. Some games, as I said, are optimized, but some are not. So, for example, game Minecraft, I think everyone knows it. I'm gonna show it. Yeah, let it load, and I will show you that how the optimization works. So this game Minecraft is optimized for, I think, all of the controllers, and this is an Xbox style. So yeah, it is. So and if someone like don't like the Xbox kind controller, like the joysticks are up and down, you won't have any problems with this one. I mean, like, I have a PlayStation 4, so I'm okay with this. This actually feels really nice. So let's open a board and show you how it works. Then I'm going to jump into another app that's not optimized and show you how the virtual control mode works. So as you can see, these ones are for changing the inventory. As I showed you, M1 works as L3, so it makes you run. R3 makes you sit. The L2 is interact. I don't have anything to interact with, but R2 is to hit. Yeah, a villager. See? Yeah. This one is the R3 is for moving, looking around. This is for moving. And these are the game controls. It doesn't have anything to do with this. So we go back, as you saw here. So this game is not optimized for Light 84. We just open it. Oh yes, I forgot to say about it. Sorry. When this thing comes, you have to say start now. Then it brings you here. So you have to roll down installed apps. Nexus. This is the name of app. Sorry. This is the name of app, Nexus. Click on it. Don't turn this on, just turn this on. This thing will mess up with the system and stuff. Don't do this, just this one. Then we'll open the app and play any game that you want that's not optimized. So we'll open this. As you can see, I've already chosen everything. So these are really cool, because this game is not optimized for this, so you can just use it normally, but you have to set it up your way. And I think that's even better, because if you don't like to jump with A, you can jump with, like, I don't know, L2 for example. But that's all that's all that you can customize it. So let's just start again. If you don't want to use a lot of time inside of a game just setting everything up, I can tell you to, like, a better way. You can go to the changing the control modes, like control settings inside of your game, like right over here. Wait a second. Controls, customize, and then you can put it on them. So we go just exit, sorry, back. So this is how it works. This is aim, this is shoot. Yes. Okay, this random guy, mute. Thank you. And I set it up, so this is jump, this is crouch, and this kind of stuff. You can set it up however you like. Yeah, so go back to the app, and this is mostly it. But the thing about this thing is that you don't like to, like, put above your head all the time, because it might get tiring. It matters on the weight of your own phone, not this thing, because this thing is pretty light. So if you go for the normal buttons function, sorry, this thing is a screenshot. Yep, this thing is for Nexus setting. Sorry, okay, it worked, but because there was a screenshot loading, that was the reason. So this is for in-game settings. It won't work on the app. joysticks, normal, everything's the same. It's pretty good feeling. It doesn't feel cheap. And well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Well, I'm not sure how much content I will be putting on this channel, but I'll try that to put some videos about all the things that I buy, cool tech, some reacts, and gathering some information that you don't want to get tired and searching the web from one site to the other. So if you like this video, I'll be happy. Thank you. This is my first video, so I'm not a professional, and see you in the next one. Bye.